Guys, welcome to today hamster hack. Today I'm going to show you the 3 hamster hack for the combo of the day. So today being 27th of May, which is the 5th day of the combo card. So first of all, come to Telegram. When you come to Telegram, look for our channel, Elite Income channel. When you come to Elite Income channel, you will see the link to your hamster, and then you click and get to your hamster. When you come to your hamster, if you have not registered or you are registered before, you register on hamster. When you come to hamster, you click and launch hamster. The 5 million boost is a way of having a new get a new 5 million daily easily. So when you come to hamster like this, you scroll down to where you see now mine. So go to mine. So you see we have to fill up these 3 space so that we can get this 5 million and then use it to make profits per hour. So today let's go. The first pair for today is I can identify it very quickly. So it's BTC pair. So get BTC pair. You see it. Wow, I get it. You see this BCT pair. So you get it. That is the first combo card for the day. Now let's look for the second combo card for the day. Let's look for it. I'm looking for it. If you don't see BTC pair, see BTC pair is the first one. I've done it. It's remaining these 2, so I'm going to show you. I've told you I'll always be the first to bring the updates for you. So the second one, you come. Let's go to PR. And look for the second one. It's not in PR. Definitely it's not in PR. So let's go to legal. Let's go to legal and check for the second one. Not also in legal. Yeah, am I right? Correct. Not there. So let's check for the third one. Sorry, the second one. Let's look for it. All right, I've seen the second one. This is the second one. Oh, this is the second one. Telegram Mass Adoption App Center. This is the second one. Let's go ahead and purchase it. Wow. So that is the second card. So remaining the last card. The last one now. Let's look for the last card. This is okay, the last card. So we are looking for the last card. Definitely is not here. So go to new card. Let's go to new card. You see, I've gotten these 2 already. These 2 is BTC pair and then App Center listing. Check for those 2. Now we are looking for this one so that we can get the 5 million. So let's look for the last card. Yes, I've seen the last card. This is the last card. Is a new card. YouTube Gold button. That is the last card. So click on that card and then click on this card, which is when diamond. You click it and then it will take you to YouTube if you have not joined their YouTube channel already. So try and subscribe to their YouTube channel. When you subscribe to their YouTube channel, you come back to the card. So subscribe first to their YouTube channel and then come back to the hamster card and then do what? You now go ahead and then you claim the YouTube. Wow, have you seen? That is it. Yeah, the combo is complete. You are doing great. 5 million. I've told you, I always be the first to get you the update. So Make sure you do that and then claim the 5 million daily combo card. So it's these 3 cards: YouTube Gold button, App Center listing, and then BTC Pay, and then you get the 5 million. See, I've gotten it. I've gotten the 5 million. So that's why I say subscribe to my channel, like, follow, comment what you don't understand. I'm here to make you understand so that you will be able to get the update as it comes. Thank you. Love you guys.